क्या कर रही हूं मैं यहाँ पर, ये कैसा काम है, इस काम से मैं कनेक्ट ही नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, खूनी मंडे फिर से आ गया, अब ऑफिस जाना पड़ेगा, आज क्या बहाना बनाऊं ऑफिस नहीं जाने का। अगर ये थॉट्स बहुत फ्रीक्वेंटली आपको आते हैं देन यू आर प्रोबेबली इन द रॉन्ग फील्ड. अ करियर चेंज इज जस्ट व्हाट यू नीड. Many times we start a job thinking this is where we want to be. But in time it becomes a reason for stress and frustration. Also, कभी-कभी हम घर चलाने के लिए ऐसे jobs करते हैं which we never wanted to do in the first place. But that should not dishearten us because changing your career is always an option. But it should be with the right plan. And so presenting this video on how to go about making that much needed career change. Hi, I'm Sophia Chand from Girls Bus. We bring you information about everything that matters in a woman's life. तो देर किस बात की, चलिए जल्दी जल्दी सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और उस बेल आइकन पे क्लिक कीजिए. First things first, करियर चेंज के लिए one needs confidence. It doesn't matter if you are in your teens, 30s, 40s or beyond. याद रखिए कि age is just a number and it's never too late to achieve what you want. If you can gather that confidence and passion, believe me, the rest of the steps will be a lot easier. अब आते हैं एक्सपीरियंस पर. बोलने के लिए ठीक है कि कॉन्फिडेंस से जॉब मिलेगी एंड ऑल दैट, बट आप सोच रहे होंगे कि व्हाई विल समवन हायर मी इफ आई हैव नो नॉलेज और स्किल्स फॉर दैट करियर दैट यू वांट. इट्स राइट, बट रिमेंबर दैट यू आर नॉट स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम स्क्रैच. आपके पास हमेशा ऐसे स्किल्स होते हैं जो आपने पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस से इकट्ठा किए हुए हैं, वेदर दे आर टू यूज अ कंप्यूटर, बी गुड एट प्रोसेसेस और बी एबल टू सेल. आपके एक्सपीरियंसेस ने आपको कुछ तो सिखाया होगा. After all, years of commitment cannot go just waste, right? We know that in most cases, this thought can be a reason for fear. This is that turning point where most people give up and continue doing their old jobs dispassionately. Okay, so इन 3 चीजों को overcome करने के लिए I am going to share some steps with you. These will help you to gather the skills, experience and confidence that is required for your dream career. पहला step है internship. Internships make it easier for a person to switch smoothly from one field to another. Internships सिर्फ CV बढ़ाने के लिए नहीं होते हैं. You can acquire all those new skills from it and learn how to get things done through it. And learning by doing is always the best option, right? At least for me it is. It's true that internships will not pay you as much, but if you plan well, you can bounce back easily once you get the required experience. The next option is joining certified courses. ऐसे कुछ skills होते हैं जो courses के बिना आप नहीं acquire कर सकते. कुछ skills के लिए आपको ऐसे courses चाहिए जो आपको learning perspective से help करें और आपको नए field में एक strong foundation बनाने के लिए मदद करें. But not every course or certification will help you to make the switch. आप गूगल करियर सर्टिफिकेशंस ले सकते हैं या फिर कोर्सेरा पे जाके एक कोर्स ढूंढिए which fulfills your criteria. Make sure to look for a certification program that is long enough and in depth. Choose wisely, go through all the things that the course is covering and then make a decision. And don't refrain from spending a little. Free courses often tend to be incomplete or have confusing learning paths. You can also focus on your hobbies while you shift fields. If there is something you are truly passionate about and at the same time you also have quality knowledge about it, then utilize it. There are many skills that are transferable. You just need to pick those skills up and share them while you are applying for a new job. All these steps will need some time. So be patient, be confident and follow it through. Don't stop in between. Hope this video helped. If you are someone who has made a major career change and have something valuable to share with us, do drop us a line below. We might just call you to cover it on our channel. Also, like and share our video.